Donald Scott NYC is a razor cutting tool company founded in New York City. Our new tools help professional hair artists and barbers cut, shape, blend, and detail hair with free-form precision and 100% safety. We've created the Razor Artist Toolbox that contains everything you need to create masterful works of razor artistry. The carving comb, the Chopstick Pro Razor, the DS X4 razor, and a full-size Prepare Liquid Tool Glide. Each tool is impeccably designed using only the best materials and give the discerning hair artist absolute control to add volume, blend colors, and layer hair perfectly every time. The carving comb is actually 3 tools in one, and it's an essential addition to every salon station. Prepare Liquid Tool Glide helps the razor tools cut through the hair like butter. Now for a limited time, you get all 4 tools, a $130 value, for the low price of $98. Go to our website and get the Razor Artistry Toolbox right now.